Picture this. As day turns into evening, an emergency call comes in. A 53-year-old man with type 1 diabetes has not returned from the forest where he'd been working clearing brush. There is no time to waste in finding him. Neither a search dog nor a helicopter with thermal imaging are immediately available, so drones will be the eyes in the sky for this rescue operation. The area to be searched is defined, and the drones are programmed to cover it in the most efficient way. Just a few minutes after starting the search, the team is able to make out the shape of a figure. The man has been found, unconscious, but alive. Paramedics are quickly able to restore his vital functions. This is possible today with Nokia technology.